Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Studios channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of best space-saving kitchen organizer design ideas. The kitchen is often the most used space in your home and the least loved. Half-filled spice jars can clutter your countertop. Piles of mismatched containers and lids can overflow from your cabinets. And coffee filters and paper plates can get crammed in your pantry alongside bulky boxes of cereal and bags of bread. One of the best ways to save space in your kitchen and keep everything neat is to use transparent containers. Store everything from spices and baking ingredients to cereal, chips, and loose leaf tea in either glass or plastic containers. If you plan to store things like flour, sugar, and baking powder on open shelves, opt for attractive matching containers like glass jars. And every kitchen has its quirks, so you have those to factor in, too. Whether you're navigating tiny cabinets, narrow drawers, or an overall lack of storage space, there's a lot to contend with when you're trying to keep your kitchen tidy while also making sure everything you need is still accessible. Different types of best space-saving kitchen organizer designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.